So, Mr. Pope, why did you choose our firm? Why JP Long Wealth Advisors?
Well, in my particular case, I had legal insurance through my work.
Mm-hmm.
And that legal insurance provided me a list of recommendations.
Yeah.
And it just also so happens that my son is an attorney in Nashville. So I recruited his help to look at the candidates and help advise me on which ones might be better suited. And actually is on his advice, looking at your resume and credentials and what work you'd done and what I was interested in, which was both somebody to help go through the probate, but also somebody to help then do the estate planning. And he looked at your credentials and said, oh yeah, this person has a lot more qualifications and background in the things that you want to do than other candidates. And then of course, after meeting and interviewing with you, my confidence level just went up more. So
definitely, I appreciate that, and I like that. It's about going through. There's a lot of attorneys out there, and sometimes we may not be the perfect match, but seeing what are their credentials and seeing interviewing them, because at the end of the day, this is a partnership, right? We have to fit perfectly well for you to like me, that I like you, and that we work well together. But really going through our process, saying interviewing them and seeing do they have the expertise and the knowledge to help what I need to do. Specifically, the things that you want to work on.
And is it somebody that you instinctively trust?
Yeah, right? I think that's a big key thing, especially with your estate. Yep. I think estate planning, our field is it is an important thing that we do, but it's very close to home because we're handling your family legacy, your finances. So it has to be someone that you trust, that you're saying, okay, I'm trusting you to handle my legacy, that when I'm no longer here, that whatever we've done can withhold, and that you're do right by me to my family.
I don't know if fiduciary is the right term.
It is.
But you want somebody who's going to act as a fiduciary on your behalf?
It is, definitely. Yeah, and I appreciate that. And you mentioned something, so a lot of people don't know this. Through their work, they have the legal resources, that they have legal insurance, that if you buy it, you could hire an attorney to help you with your affairs. And it comes at a lesser cost than hiring an attorney regularly. Mm-hmm. But for those who are waiting, that saying I can't afford it, look through your legal work and see, do you have legal insurance that can go ahead and step in and afford some of those costs for you, so that you're able to get your documents done and you're not just living it and forgetting about it. Yep. Yeah, definitely. I think that's very important. I'm glad that you were able to find it.
Legal insurance, identity theft coverage. There's a lot of times your work can offer those as options.
Yeah.
And sometimes people may skip them because they just want to get what's the lowest cost. But insurance that's what insurance is all about.
You shop around, and it's not only for insurance. The same thing, you shop around for attorneys. You have to see what best fit you. I'm glad that I got the approval check from another attorney. That means a lot, to say, okay, as an attorney, let me look at their attorney profile and see where do they fall on that. So I'm happy that I got that check of approval. But again, thank you for choosing us. We appreciate your business. We love what we do, and we love that clients love our work and appreciate our work.